Today we are going to start with the same chapter, that is chapter number 4, multiplication and division. In that we are going to learn a new concept, that is division. Now let us see some examples related to the division problem. Yes. Now here are the examples which we are going to divide it by 4 digit or 5 digit. Here 4 digit or 5 digit number will come, and that should be divided by 2 digit number. Your first example is 7,354 should divided by 56. 7,354 should divided by 56. Let us see how we are going to divide the 4 digit number by 2 digit. See, in division, main thing is you have to concentrate on what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient, and what is remainder. I'll explain you one by one how you are going to identify all the 4 concept of division. First, how you are going to write down the division thing. Here you will put one line and curve. Now here you will write 56 and 7,354. See here, this 56 is our divisor and this 7,354 is our view about the which is division, which is dividend, which is quotient, and which is remainder. Now quotient means whatever we got in the up one, here this is our quotient, and at the end whatever answer we got, whatever is the remainder, whatever left out, that is called as remainder. Clear? So what is dividend? This number is dividend. कौन से टेबल से कर रहे हैं, that is divisor. Whatever the answer we got, that is our quotient, and whatever after deducting or whatever left, that is our remainder. So this thing you have to understand it, and while doing the sums you have to mention all the things properly. So I'll rub now, and one by one we'll see how to solve a division sum. See now, 56. Now 56 table, you people don't know the table of 56. So I told you to make working column. Now in working column, you will write the table of 56. See, in working column, what you are going to do? First main thing, you are going to write down the table of whichever they have asked you. Now in working column, you will write 56 ones. Chalo, now 56 ones is 56 only. Now you are going to tell me the table. 56 twos. Now what is 56 twos? Multiply. I have explained you the multiplication also. So I want answers from your side. Very good. 56 twos is 112. Clear? We'll write table till 5. 56 5 तक हम लोग लिखेंगे, and then we'll start with our sum. Now 56 threes. 56 threes is how much? 56 threes. Very good. No, Ayush. No, that is wrong answer. 56 threes. Yeah, 56 threes is 168. Okay. Now once again, 56 fours. 56 fours. Now 56 fours is very good. 56 fours is 224. Okay. Now last one, 56 fives. 56 5 is very good. 56 5 is 280. Clear? Now we'll stop over here. We will not do much more table of that particular number. As we know that we want more than 5, then we will calculate for 56 6. Now first, if it is 2-digit number, you have to take 2-digit only. When it is 2-digit divisor, in dividend you are going to take with the 2-digit number only. So here 56, see here 56 is given. Now 56 ones is 56, 56 twos is 112. So you can take 112 or 56. Which number you will take? You have to take the less number. You are not going to take more than 73. 73 के पहला वाला number. That means 56 ones is 56 and 56 twos is 112. So 112 बड़ा होता है, so we have to take 56 ones. तो ऐसे लिखेंगे 56 ones 56 minus. This division you have done in your 4th standard also, but it was 2-digit and 3-digit only. But now in 5th standard, it is 4-digit number should divide it by 2-digit number. Now 56 ones is 56 we have taken. Now from 3 6 is going. I want answers in the chat box. Huh? From 3 6 is going. No, very good. So what we will do? We will borrow from 7. So here it will become 13 and here it will become 6. Now 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is very good. 13 minus 6 is 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So here is 17. Now we have to take the next number down. That is 5. ये जो 5 है वो हमको नीचे लेना है. Clear? 2 number होके solve होने के बाद whatever is the third number we have to take down. Now it become 175. Yes, now it become 175. Now in 56 table, which number you are going to take? Which tables are? Yes, which tables are? But which tables are? Very good. You will take 56 3s are 168 because 56 4s is 224. So we can't take that number. So we have to take 56 3s. So 56 3s. ऊपर ही लिखना है. 56 3s is 168. Now underline it. Now once again we have to do the subtraction. Now 5 minus 8. The 5 minus 8 it is not going. So we have to take from 7. So we will take from 7. So it will become 15 and 7 will become 6. Now 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 will be, yes, very good. 15 minus 8 will be 7. Yes, and 6 minus 6 will become 0. Okay, now 1 minus 1 will become 0. Now what is left now? One more number is left because हमने 5 ले लिया था. Now what is left? Very good. What is left? 4 is left. So we have to take 4 here. Now it becomes 74. Now once again we will see the table of 56. Now 56, which times are we are going to take? Yes, 56 ones are because 2s is 112. बड़ा number हम लोग नहीं ले सकते. So 56 ones are 56. See, I'll write over here. There is no space. That's why. Okay, 56. Chalo. Now 7 minus 4 is going. No, okay. So we'll borrow from, and 4 minus 6, it is not going, so it become 14, and here 7 will become 6. Now 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is very good. 8 is remaining. And 6 minus 4, very good. 6 minus 5 will become, only left will 1. So it become 18. Now you can see here 4 के आगे कुछ number है क्या? Any number is there after 4? No. That means you have to stop over here only. अगर कुछ number होता, then only you will have to take the number down with 18. But here there is no number. So what is your answer? There only you will stop. So our question is 131, and our remainder is 18. Our remainder is 18. So you have to write it down, that what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient, and what is remainder. So you will write here divisor कितना है 56. Dividend is 7354. Quotient is 131 and remainder is 18. All the things you have to write down as you complete the division के नीचे लिखना है. हाँ, you don't have to write in the side of table. Sums होने के नीचे you have to write the divisor full form. हाँ, I have not written the full form. You have to write down divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Chalo, write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute for doing the first example sum. Now we will start solving the second example, that is 4095 divided by 27. See, same thing in working column, you have to write the table of first 27 and then we will divide the sums. So, first we will write the table of 27. 27 vanza. Now 27 vanza is 27. Okay. Now once again 27 twoza. I'll want answers from your side. 27 twoza is what? Yes. Yes, 27 twoza is 54. Okay. 27 twoza is 54. Okay. Now 27 threeza. What is 27 threeza? Yes, very good. The students are giving the answers also. 27 threeza is 81. Okay, 81. Now 27 fourza. Now what is 27 fourza? Yes, 27 fourza is 108. 108. Okay, we'll write till 27 fives. Huh? 27 fives. Now 27 fives is very good. 27 fives is 135. Okay, we'll stop over here now. 135. Chalo, now we'll start with our division. Same. Here we will write 27 and here we will write 4095. Clear? Okay. Chalo. Now 27, how many times I have to take? Yes, very nice. Because 2 times I is 54. तो उसके पहले का नंबर क्या है? 27. Okay. So 27 ones are 27. चलो माइनस करो. 0 में से 7 is not going. So we'll cut. We'll make this as 10 and this as 3. Now 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7. Very good. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay. Now 3 minus 2. Very good. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Now I'll take which number? What number I have to take? Because it is 13 only. So which number I should take down? Which number? Very good. I have to take down the number 9. So it become 139. Okay. So how many times I have to take 27? It is 139. So which times are we have to take it down? Very nice. 27 fives are. So 27 fives are is 135. चलो माइनस करना है. 9 minus 5. Yes, 9 minus 5 will become 4. 3 minus 3. Yes, 3 minus 3 will become 0. 1 minus 1. 0. Chalo, next what I should take? I should take the number of 5. Now 45. Chalo, 27 time. Which times is 45? Yes, 27 ones because 2s is 54. So 27 ones is 27. Chalo. So minus 5 minus 7 is going? No. So we have to cut and here will become 15 and here will become 3. Now 15 minus 7. How much remain? Very good. 8 will remain. And 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1 will remain. So here, what is the question? That is 151. And what is the remainder? That is 18. Dividend is 4095 and divisor is 27. Okay. Now, chalo, everyone copy down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, now students, now we have done with our division sum. Now we will start with our problem set 50. Now in this sum, you are going to do in your notebook first and one by one, I'll unmute the student. They will tell me the steps for writing or for doing the sums of division. So your first sum should divided by 32. Now start doing in your notebook. After 1 minute, I'll unmute the student for giving the steps to write down in the slide. Okay, now Aditya, you're going to tell me the table of 32 first so that I can write all the table. Yes, and next chance will be given to next roll number 63, that is 5th D. He is going to tell me the division sum. Just wait a minute. And you will also tell me. First, the table of 32. Chalo, Aditya, start.
32 on the 30.
Slow. Wait. Slow. And other student will give me the answers in the chat box whether Aditya answer and your answer are matching or not. Okay. 32 twos. Yes, Aditya. 32 twos is
64. 64.
64. Okay, very good. 64. 32 threes are
62.
32 threes are. I have given everyone more than 2 minutes chance for doing the sums. 32 threes are is what?
96.
Okay, very good. 96. Okay, 32 threes are. हो गया. Now 32 fours are. Yes, 32 fours are.
120.
Yes,
120. 128.
128. Okay. Now 32 fives are. 32 fives are.
160. Teacher,
160.
160.
160. Okay. Now you will also give me the answer of the division only. First, let 63 roll number of 50 give me the answer. Okay. Now next, I'll make over here 32 and 1284. Chalo. Now next student, which number I should take first?
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Okay. Now 32 divided by 1284. Now what I should take first?
Teacher, we should take
Hmm.
32 divided by 128.
32 divided by 128. But how many times are? See, I have written table also. It will help you.
Teacher, 128.
But how many times are?
4.
So 32 fours are. 32 fours are is 128. Yes? Chalo, now
Yes.
do the subtraction. 8 minus 8.
0.
2 minus 2.
0.
1 minus 1.
0.
Now what I should write down?
4.
So is we can divide 32 by 4?
No.
Okay. Now Aditya will give me the answer. Aditya, what is dividend?
What is dividend?
Here in which this number, what is dividend? That we should write, na?
32 is dividend.
32 is dividend. So divisor is what? If 32 is dividend, so what is divisor?
184. 284.
That is our divisor. Okay. Now next 63 of fifth D is Aditya said right answer.
No, teacher.
Okay. So you rectify it. आप बताओ कौन सा right? बोलो.
Dividend will be 1284 and divisor will be 32. And
Very
quotient will be 4.
Wait a minute. Yes, Aditya, this 32 is our divisor, 1284 is our dividend. Clear? Now what is the question? Both of you tell me, what is the question?
4.
Okay. And what is the remainder?
4.
Very good. So your question is also 4 and reminder is also 4. See student,
Yes.
just check it down whether your answer and both the student answer are right or wrong. Okay, both of you can mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Everyone, just cross check your answer. If it is right, put a tick mark in front of you. Now student, start solving the division of fourth question, that is 8543 divided by 41. Chalo, 1 minute, one more time. 1 minute I am giving you for solving the fourth sum. Okay. Now, Adarsh, tell me the table of 41. Chalo, 41 table. Other student also give the answers in the chat box. 41 ones are.
41.
Okay, now 41 twos are. Yes, fast.
Teacher, I
What?
don't know the 41 table.
You don't know, but I have explained you the multiplication, na? So you have to do the multiplication.
That time my network is so facing.
41, see, I'll show you. 41 twos are. This way you are going to do multiply. Now 2 ones are is.
2.
And 2 fours are is.
2 4 8.
So what is 41 twos are?
82.
Now same way you will do in your notebook 41 threes are, and let me know the answer.
Okay, teacher.
चलो जल्दी करो. Yes, 41 threes are.
40. Teacher, 1 3s are 3. 4 3s are 12.
Very good. So it is 123. Okay. Now 41 fours are.
1 4s are 4. 4 4s are 16.
Okay, very good. आ रहा है ना अभी आपको?
Yes, teacher.
Now 41 fives are. चलो 41 fives are.
1 5s are 5. 4 5s are 20.
Very good. Okay. Now next chance will be given to Aditya. Aditya.
Yes, teacher.
Chalo, how we will do the division. Okay, 41, 8, 5, 4, 3. Chalo, which number I should take? 41 ones are, 41 twos are, or 41 threes are.
Teacher, 41
Yes, 41.
twos are 82.
Very good. 41 twos are 82. Chalo. 5 minus 2.
5 minus 2, 3.
Okay. 8 minus 8.
0.
Okay. Now we'll carry down which number?
4.
Okay. So what I should take now? 34. Okay. Just listen, student. Now this 41 table, 34 is not coming. So on that time, you will take the next number also. This 3 number also you will take down. But before taking this 3 number down, there is a rule you have to put over here 0. Listen one more time. Now 41 table, 34 is not coming. So that time, if in that case, if any sums are coming like that, then you are going to take the any other number, that is 3 जो हमने लिया नीचे, that is 3. Then we have to put 0 in the question. So now 43 343. So now we have to take in 41 table 343 is coming or not. Clear? But here we have done till 41 fives only. Now we'll do 41 sixes also. So 41 6 जा. चलो 41 6 जा is what, Adarsh? Aditya,
Yes, teacher.
41 6 जा.
246.
200 and
46.
246. Chalo, we can't take that number also. Now 41 7 जा. Chalo, 41 7 जा is what?
287.
287. I'll write direct over here, huh? 41 8 जा.
328.
328. Now 41 9 जा.
369.
369. Chalo. Now what number you will take? Which number? 41 which times are you will take?
328.
हाँ, कितना जा?
8.
Okay, 8 za is 328. Now do the subtraction. 3 minus 8 is going?
What?
3 minus 8 is going?
5.
3 minus 8 is going?
5.
अरे, what is my question? 3 में से 8 जाता है क्या?
No, teacher.
नहीं. Okay, so what we have to take? We have to borrow from 4. So here will become 13 and here will become 3. Now 13 minus 8 is 5. Clear? Don't do direct. Now 3 minus 2.
3 minus 2 is 1.
Okay, 3 minus 3.
0.
Okay, so what is the remainder over here?
15.
Okay, so that means quotient is our 208, remainder is our 15, divisor is our 41, and dividend is our 8543. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Aditya? Okay. Now mute yourself. Everyone note down in your notebook.
Thank you, teacher.
Now here we will stop our division. I'll give you homework regarding this only. So complete it this first and then we will start with our division homework part.